It's a couple Jordan 1 retros and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never gon' step in. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement threes and throw a little fit together. Get on the go out, place a bid, and hopefully I can just hit forever. I'm from the bottom, a little wanna ride with this part about culture, you gotta be fly. Ralph Lauren with the Air Forces, put that shit on to the day that I die. Nikes over Adidas.
What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, DaRetroWizKid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. Hope everyone's having a great day. Today we have a first on the channel, y'all. This is my first, like, huge sneaker haul on the channel, man, where it's like multiple shoes coming out of one box. Now, y'all, I paid $82.05 for these joints, man. Look at this. Y'all see, I got that jump to the side, but $82.05 for all of this, man. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to the bro D.STOKES, man, for making this possible. I really do appreciate it, my G. And I'm gonna tell you guys what I plan on doing with the shoes, and then you guys are gonna see what shoes they are. These are all like 07 and before sneakers right here, man, if I'm not mistaken. But I will give you guys the total value. It's probably on the thumbnail or in the title or whatever. But yes, y'all, these right here, I had to have them, man. I had to get a hold of them when the bro made the offer to me. So with all that being said, make sure if you guys are new, y'all hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. Join your boy, DaRetroWizKid, and the Sneaker Dungeon family. Head over to Instagram, follow your boy at DaRetroWizKid, and let's go ahead and get these things out of the box, you dig? Man, I don't even know where my scissors at, man. So what we gonna do is I'm gonna just pull it down the center like this. Wow. So y'all can get a little look at what's in the box, man. We gonna go over everything, but some of these actually did come out after 2007, but y'all gonna see, man, 2007 era, 2008 era, some of these did come out after that. Look, bro told me, hey, you can clean them up and everything, but I'm gonna clean all of the shoes up regardless. But I just wanna start with something, man. Let's go ahead and pull these out right here, man. Let's pull these out. So right here we have the Air Jordan 11 Retro Low White Black True Red, y'all. So what we got right here is we have a pair of Tuxedos, man. This is a pair of the Tuxedo Lows that we got in the box, man. And as I said, I will be cleaning these up. Now, as you guys can see, this is a size 9.5, so it's not my size, but I'm gonna let y'all know what we gonna be doing with these things, man. So up first, we have the Tuxedo 11 Low, and this one right here is super clean. I know a lot of people passed on it when it first dropped and everything, and I don't think this one ever gonna retro again. I'll be honest, I don't think this one gonna retro again. Just because of the colorway and everything, I just don't see them bringing it back. And if they do bring it back, it's probably when my son gonna be in high school. You feel me? Okay, we gonna get the new boxes out the way, man. These are the newer boxes right here. So right here we have the Air Jordan 11 Retro Low. Now this one is a size 9. And y'all go ahead and y'all see what that thing say, man. Y'all see what that thing say, man. Yes, sir. We have a pair that I don't own in the collection. Now, I got those Tuxedos, but I don't own these, man. And bro told me he wanted me to clean the shoes before I did the video, but it is what it is right here. We have the Concord Lows, and you know, these right here, I did not get my hands on these or the bread Lows, man, when they came out. It was a struggle to try to get a hold of the Lows that I did get back then. You know what I'm saying? So this one right here, I don't have in the collection, and this is a size 9 Concord 11 Lows. And just for the shits and giggles, y'all see it, man. You have the Tuxedo and the Concord. Pretty much where the white is on this shoe, they have the white on here, and where the black is on this shoe, you have it on here. So I thought that was always dope how they did that. You know, first it was like the reverse to me, but you have the Tuxedo and you have the Concord. So Lows. So these right here are the ones that I really wanted to get, man. And y'all can see we got a little dust on them things, man. Dust that thing on all, G. But we got the Air Jordan 3 Retro size 8.5 black, dark charcoal black. I do not own this shoe in my size in the collection, just like with the Concords. Super fire to be able to get this one right here. And we have a pair of the Black Cat 3s, man. Yes, Lord, y'all. Black Cat 3s. I don't own this shoe, but now I have it in the collection. I just can't wear it. But I'm going to tell you guys at the end what I plan on doing with all of these shoes. So stay tuned for that. Y'all know I am a real collector, man. I love to collect them shoes, man. I love it. I love it. I love it. Right here we have the Air Jordan 3 Retro White Fire Red Cement Gray. And this one right here was one that I wanted. I was like, yo, G. It got that classic vibe. We have a pair of the Fire Red 3s. And you guys can see this was the era back when we had the silver Jumpman and everything. Tab on the back, nicely aged and everything. I'm going to wipe them down, man. But guess what? No cracks on these jokers, man. No cracks on these jokers. These are actually in really good condition. All you gotta do is just clean the midsole just a little bit, but these are fire. You know what I'm saying? Now, I do have a release that came out. That was like 2013, 14, 15 era, somewhere around there. I can't remember the exact date or the exact year that they came out, but they did release these again, and I was able to pick up that one, but I don't have this one in the collection. And last but not least, you know, and we're gonna go ahead, move the big old box out of the way. We have in a size 8.5, the Air Jordan 8 Retro Black Bright Concord Aqua Tone. Now these right here, I thrashed these hoes, man. No cap, man. I thrashed these joints. These are the joints that came out when I was in high school, man. And bro was like, yo, I got them. You know, they're yours. You can get them. And, you know, a lot of good memories with this Aqua 8, man. This is no glitter and stuff on there. You know, we got just a very dope colorway when it comes to the Air Jordan Retro 8s. And I had, when bro was like, yo, you can get them, bro, I was like, yes, sir. These things are fire. Now, that is the 5 sneakers that I was able to get from the bro. We're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna pull them all out so you guys can see them. But this one right here, man, I wore these to the T, man. I'm talking about I wore them so much, y'all, that, you know, the shoe was like falling apart, man. I was killing these joints from the time I got out of basic training and then went to Korea to my first duty station, man. That was back in like 2008. I was messing these jokers up, G. I'm talking about clubbing, balling, going to the gym. I wasn't really heavy on the gym like how I'm heavy on the gym now, but I was messing around in the gym. But these joints right here, man, these in the playoff 8s, man, and my playoff 8s got stolen, man, so I don't have that one from that era. But these, very nostalgic, man, very nostalgic just for the specific year. So right here, you guys can see it, man. We have the Black Cat 3s, pair of Concords, pair of Tuxedo Lows. Then we had a Fire Red 3s and a pair of the Aqua 8s. Man, super clean sneakers. Now, what I plan to do is I'm going to clean these bad boys up, man. Clean the laces, everything, get them looking really nice and spiffy, you know what I'm saying? And I'm actually working on building something to go up top right here. And I have the shelf and everything, but I'm gonna use these as displays for like where I have like my, you guys can't see them all right here, but you know, my Michael Jordan Funkos and stuff like that. I'm going to put that up there, and then I'm gonna have these on display. Really just for a collector purpose. You know, I've always wanted the Black Cat 3s. I've always wanted the Concord Lows. And then these just being from that era before they switched over to boxes again. I like seeing that nostalgic look. Makes it feel a lot more throwback, even though, you know, you got pairs from even further back that have released. To me, that aged back right there on this pair, just dumb, man, just dumb. And you know, maybe this means I might be able to get a pair of the Black Cat 3s eventually that I can wear. Very dope, man, to be able to have these in the collection. Huge shout out to the bro D.STOKES. The grand total, if I was to sell these, or if he was to sell these on Go, and if he had cleaned them up, I'm gonna put the grand total right here so you guys can see what the value was, and it's probably gonna be in the thumbnail as well. I didn't add it up yet. I was super excited to open up the box and just get to it, man. I'm so happy that I was able to get these, especially for what I'm gonna be using them for. Super clean. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think about the nice little haul. $82.05 for all of these. You can't beat it. Y'all already know what time it is. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell if you guys are new. Until the next video, peace, love, and Laguna Beach, and we out this thing. Yeah!
It's a couple Jordan 1 retros and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never go stepping. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement 3s and throw a little fit together. Get on the go app, place a bid, and hopefully I can just hit forever.